In this video, sixth graders, we are going to be comparing types of government. We're trying to answer two questions. In different types of government, how do people get power, and what rights do citizens have? To review, let's remind ourselves about the definition of government. A government is an organization that does three things. It sets rules, keeps order, and provides services for a society. There are 5 types of governments that are common in the world today. Democracy, monarchy, dictatorship, oligarchy, and communism. Each type of government is different with regard to how people get power in the government and what rights citizens have in the country where that government is in power. First, we're going to look at democracy as a type of government. In democracy, citizens elect representatives to govern them. Just like there is a presidential election happening in the United States right now. In a democracy, a legislature creates laws, an executive branch carries out laws, and a judicial branch interprets laws. In a democracy, citizens have many rights, such as those listed in the Bill of Rights. The United States is an example of a democracy. Next, we will look at monarchy. In a monarchy, a king, queen, or emperor rules society. The ruler inherits or is born into the office. In an absolute monarchy, citizens have few or no rights. Saudi Arabia is an example of an absolute monarchy. In a constitutional monarchy, the ruler shares power with a government elected by the people. Citizens have many rights in a constitutional monarchy. The United Kingdom is an example of a constitutional monarchy. Next, we will look at dictatorship. In a dictatorship, one person, the dictator, rises to power and rules society. The dictator controls everything, and citizens have few or no rights. North Korea has been ruled by a dictator for more than 50 years. Next, we will look at oligarchy. In an oligarchy, a group of a few people rules society. The ruling group usually is wealthy or has military power. In an oligarchy, citizens have few or no rights. The government of Myanmar has been an oligarchy since 1988. Last we will look at communism. Communism is a type of economy in which the government owns all of the property. The government itself is controlled by the Communist Party. So basically, in communism, the Communist Party controls everything. People get power by rising up through the ranks of the Communist Party. Citizens have few or no rights in a communist country. Cuba has been a communist country since 1959. To review, there are 5 types of government that are common today. They are democracy, monarchy, dictatorship, oligarchy, and communism. The different types of government vary in how people get power and the rights citizens have.